Guys, back with another video. Today we have the Bissell cleanview 2 bagless. So as you guys know, you guys love this. This vacuum actually had a short motor, which I found out yesterday when I haven't used this from a very long time. So I'm like, let's try to use this guy for a minute and see how it sounds. Again, I need to buy these guys a new headlight. So here's the thing. I don't know, remember that experiment that I did, which was kind of really hard, that I put the motor of the Bissell Power Force on this and it didn't make the headlight work, and then yeah. But so here's the parts of this. So it had a really good motor, which I took off and connected it and removed the bad motor and put it on this. So yeah. That is that. So I'm gonna probably try to find a new motor for that. Like maybe Saturday or Sunday or Friday, I'm gonna go to a Goodwill and check it out what they have. The same Goodwill that I got. Sorry, my lips are a little dry. But again, I'm gonna go Goodwill, the same Goodwill that I got the Bissell lift-off bagless and 12B1 and Powerful bagless turbo. So I'm gonna go there. They always have the good stuff there. So yeah. By the way, you guys might be thinking, where's the shop motor? So I might have not used it at all, so I'm gonna prepare a new coming soon motor burnout for this. So most probably here we got the motor. It's already jammed up. I jammed that up. You just had to hit the bottom plate until it start, like the bottom steel part, if you guys want to try. I'm probably maybe not gonna be doing this because the electricity one time it went out. Remember I told you guys trying to attempt doing this stuff. So yeah, but yeah, this might be a crazy nice motor burnout because I've never done a Bissell motor burnout before. I've done an Electrolux, Dirt Devil, and yeah, two Dirt Devils, Electrolux. That Bissell Power Force motor burnout was actually a Dirt Devil's motor that I told you guys that I had put on. But yeah, alright, let's bring it back to the cleanview 2. Hopefully that when I get the headlight, this is gonna work on this, because I literally had to cut wires and like make my own thing to also make the headlight work. What's the motor? Because there were 3 connections on this old motor, only 2 connections on the new one. So wait, let me check one thing. How many connections are on this? There should be 3. Oh yeah, there should be like another connection here, but yeah, I'm gonna have to find another connection for that. If I want to burn that out, I'm gonna have to find another connection, which I think I have here. Maybe not. And then I got my motors right there. But yeah, I'll check. But yeah, let's try this Bissell cleanview 2. I'm gonna change the latch on this too. But if the headlight works, I'm gonna make this guy mint. Maybe buy a turbo brush too. But yeah, let's run this. Let me unwrap the cord here. Oh man, okay. So I'm gonna put this in right here. It's a little bit hard to do this on camera. All right, there you go. All right, now let's do this cleanview 2 bag. So I have my brother holding the camera right now, vacuum detective. But yeah, now let's run the Bissell cleanview 2 bagless and show you guys how it sounds. The brush is in not a very good condition. Let me just let you guys know. I'm gonna have to oil that up, but here we go. I'm gonna remove the brush roll and then show you guys how it sounds. Just that you know that I'm not capping. This is with the brush roll. see, it sounds great. I love the sound on this. This thing sounds actually really good. Yeah, that thing sounds amazing. I'm gonna slap on the brush real quickly. Alright guys, there it is. The Bissell cleanview 2 bagless plus review. Let me just quickly show you guys the suction on this boy. Sorry about the blur in the camera. Let me grab this quickly. Alright, so I'm turning it on. Guys, that was the review on my Bissell cleanview 2 bagless plus upright vacuum. There will be I hope motor burnout on the other old motor that's sitting right there. I hope I can get you guys a motor burnout on this. I can't wonder, there might be fire. I hope there is fire on this motor because I've never tried a Bissell motor before. I really want to see what happens when you do a Bissell motor. And this is like a pretty old motor from the old Bissell cleanviews. So yeah, I hope how this is gonna turn out. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.